Hey everybody, I'm Julio Leal with gliving.tv. Imagine all these cars right here washed without water. Cars, trucks, buses, airplanes, boats, you name it. The technology exists. It's here. It's called Dri Wash'n Guard. And we're going to see if it stands up to the G factor test. Dri Wash'n Guard has been around washing cars and saving water for over 20 years now. Claiming to be such a G product, I went ahead and decided to test it out myself. I've seen it on Ferrari race cars. I've also seen it applied to the BMW SUV, the typical soccer mama's vehicle. Get totally washed and polished without water. The shine was deep and glazy, reducing the amount of hairline scratches that you see in a paint job with each application. So therefore, with benefits like that coming from a vehicle washing product like this, it's completely non-toxic and water soluble. I think it's unbelievable. After researching the product myself and testing it on vehicles myself, I've come to find out how it actually works. And what happens is, when you spray on and you wipe it in, product actually separates the dirt or soil from the painted surfaces. And what happens is the product emulsifies it from the surface of the paint job and it makes it stick to the terry cloth towel. After you've done that, then what's left on the paint job, as you can see there, a little stripe that's left behind, that's an ultra fine pumice. You buff out the product with your hand. You can see how it glides over real easy. Well, that right there is building up a hydrostatic charge that prevents dust from sticking or clinging to your paint job, happening for 30 to 60 days, which elongates the value of your wash. The design of the product itself are applied through this spray pump bottle that has a natural air pumper built into it. You can reuse this bottle, and if it's maintained properly, it can go on to be used for an entire year. So the more I keep hearing about Dri Wash'n Guard and reuse, the more and more I think it's a G product. Well, if you ask me, after seeing this product in action, Dri Wash'n Guard is totally styling. We applied it to a styling Ferrari, we applied it to a styling race bike, we applied it to classic cars 30 to 40 years old for enhancing the driver's style. We can save millions, if not billions, of perfectly good potable water from being toxified and having to walk the toxic plank into our oceans. Now, if you think that Dri Wash'n Guard is costly, that a miracle like this would be expensive, think again. 8 ounces goes for $19.99. You can save 300 to 400 gallons of water. That right there is G to me. If you'd like to learn more about Dri Wash'n Guard, go ahead and visit us at gliving.tv. Until next time, everybody, I'm Julio Leal with gliving.tv. Stay tuned.